What can I help you with?
I have a business in Fairfax County. Can you tell me about your requirement to report business tangible property?
Yes, I can. Business tangible property, which includes office furniture and fixtures, computer equipment, machinery, tools, and everything that is not permanently affixed to the walls that are in Fairfax County, the towns of Herndon, Vienna, or Clifton, as of January 1st each year, must be declared on county tax forms.
Oh, wow. Is that all?
Well, since there are so many unique businesses in the county, I advise you to review the general information and instructions. The deadline to file the form is May 1st, and the tax must be paid by October 5th. Businesses that filed with the Department of Tax Administration in the previous year will receive an application form in the mail in January. First-time applicants may download the Business Return of Tangible Personal Property form from our website. For manufacturer businesses only, retroactive to January 1st, 2022, the M&T depreciation schedule will assess equipment starting at 50% of its original cost in the first year of ownership, declining 10% each year, with the minimum assessed value reduced to 10%. Instructions on how to file are located on the back of the forms. Property reported on this form cannot be prorated and is taxed for the entire year, even if sold or moved out of the county after January 1st. Business owners should report the total original cost by year of all tangible personal property and computer equipment owned and located in the county as of January 1st, and list all property leased from others. Automobiles, trucks, vans, motorcycles, RVs, campers, boats, airplanes, and mobile homes must be reported separately on a personal property vehicle registration form and should not be reported on the business personal property form. You may file your business return of tangible personal property by mail. For more information, please visit our website at fairfaxcounty.gov/taxes/business. Did that answer your question?
Yes, it did. Thank you.
Goodbye.